Morning. Hope you're having a wonderful start to your week. Just got reminded about something earlier today. I was on a chat with a lady who was thinking about joining up, and she was super keen. And then I'll think about it. That old saying drives you crazy, doesn't it? Like, if we won't start today, we definitely won't start tomorrow. And we can use that when beginning our journey, and we can use that when we're on our journey. We can use it like if at the beginning, I'll think about it. Well, if you won't start and do it today, highly unlikely you will commit and start tomorrow. Almost 100% no. But also on our journey, if we're thinking about, I'm just going to put off today's workout and do it tomorrow, we won't do it tomorrow either. So it's relevant